What's up guys, and welcome back to the infamous project. Today's video, a little bit different than normal, especially you see me here with a beer in my hand, a little bit of a backdrop. And while this video is really geared as a follow-up to my subscribers, followers, supporters, whoever you are, if you're new to the channel, stick around. Maybe you'll enjoy what I have to say. Maybe you don't, that's cool too. But for the past year, I've been bouncing around the idea of YouTube memberships. I've been going back and forth. I've been launching polls. I've been asking supporters, asking friends, trying to get feedback. And while the biggest thing, or challenge I should say, would be to launch something and fail to deliver on it. And in fact, somebody in the community tab posted just that. Said, you know what? I signed up for somebody's membership. They said I was going to get X, Y, Z. And it all died off. And well, yeah, I don't want to be somebody just collecting your money for no good reason and not delivering. It's the last thing that I want to do. It'd be like building a really nice fox body or any other car that I put my hands on and the customer ultimately isn't happy with it. I want to make sure that whatever I say, I'm going to deliver on. In fact, I'd rather under promise and over deliver than over promise and well, have you guys upset. And that's really going to blow up. So I am going to launch them, and I feel that they're structured in an affordable way and hopefully in a qualitative way that's going to help you guys with your builds, with information, whatever it might be. Because at the end of the day, this is a how-to channel for the most part. I do showcases, I do creative wall art sometimes, I do quite a bit of stuff, but the essence of the infamous project is do it yourself, basic tools, everything else to be able to help you guys with your projects or just inspire you all as a whole. So my challenge of putting out this content for the past couple of years, trying to keep up with YouTube algorithms and everything else, is that it's really hard to engage and interact with those who really support me in a forum where it allows me to be, I guess, responsive. I get hundreds of DMs, I get tons of messages, I get all emails, everything, and it's really hard to follow up with everyone. So I feel like with memberships, there will be live streams, there will be more qualitative, interactive content, which will give you guys a direct forum to ask questions, to get feedback, to give feedback, and everything else. So I feel like that is going to be the #1 perk to the memberships. And of course, there's all the other stuff too. There's little tip badges that'll go next to your name when you comment. People are going to know that you're a supporter of the channel. It'll also allow me to be a little bit more unfiltered. I don't like doing lives and just broadcasting them generally to the world. I don't need people that are non-Foxbody or non-infamous project followers to see a bunch of lives and comment, criticize, whatever, because it really just brings a bunch of noise to a live stream. I'd rather have them engaged with the people that want to be there, and memberships is going to do just that. So very similar to the podcast with Gary. And in fact, maybe I'll have Gary, I'll have some other YouTubers on the live streams as well. Might even have some of you guys to interact with you guys on a live stream, and you can showcase and share your car. I can ask you guys questions, everything else. There's so many things that we can do with the lives, and that is probably the #1 most important thing that the value in the membership is going to bring. In addition, there'll be discounts on merch, so you guys can have access to my hats, koozies, t-shirts, hoodies, whatever it is that I put out there. Maybe even have some product discounts on Dutch kits and other things. There'll be a whole lot that we can define as we go along. I don't want to set it all in stone now because, as I mentioned before, I want to be able to under-promise, over-deliver, start here, and then be able to maximize and really make these packages beneficial to you guys so you're not like, oh, he's just throwing that out there, finding another way to make money. It's not about that. Do I need to try and make a little bit more money? Absolutely. YouTube barely pays enough for me to keep beer stocked in the fridge. Foxbody community is like this big in terms of content out there on YouTube. So you know what? In order to make this beneficial, not only to me, but to you guys, I feel like this is a really good avenue. So that's it. I am done with my ramble. Hopefully it was short and sweet. Hopefully you guys check out those memberships. And as always, we'll see you here next time on the Infamous Project.